Hi there everyone, my name is Mark. I'm going to do a quick tutorial this evening for a helloWorld application in Swift version 3 in xCode 8. So I'm just going to click here on single view application and start a new project. Call it helloWorld. I have obviously done one of these before, so there is already a folder which I'm just going to replace. So nice and easy, straight to the storyboard. I'm going to hide that page there. So all we want in here is a text field. We'd also like a button, and drag these straight across onto the interface builder here. And then finally we want a label. So the idea of this is when we input something into this text field, we then press the button, and then after we press the button, this label comes up saying hello, and then it will give us whatever's in that text field at the top there. Okay, so let's just centralize all of this. Looks pretty good. So we're going to go to the center icon up here, and that's going to bring us up with the storyboard and also the view controller. So we're going to create some space and drag across in our view controller, starting with our text field. So control and drag. I'm going to call this my text field. Quite predictably, the next one's going to go over is the button. I'm going to make sure that I change the connection there to action because we want our button to do something when we click it. So the button is going to be called my button, and then finally we're going to have my label. So inside our button action here, we want this to have a little line of code, and simply all it's going to say is my label dot text is equal to, and then we can say my text field dot text. Now if we do that, it's not going to say hello down here at all. It's just going to have whatever we put in the text field, and that's going to go straight into the label. So what we'd like to do is put in some quotes here. We're going to put some brackets around my text field dot text, and then before the first bracket just put a /, and then that's going to input the string as if that's all there is. It's actually going to come up with optional. It's going to say optional here, which we don't want. So I'm going to say that we definitely know something is going to be in that my text field dot text, because I'm going to put something in there. I know it will be. Just to be sure, we can put an if statement. Say if my text field dot text is not equal to nil, and then it can carry out this line of code. If we don't have that line of code in there and we press the button with the text field empty, we'll get a crash. Okay, so now we're going to run this and make sure that everything works properly. So it's just going to compile the program. After I've done this one, what I'm going to do is show you exactly how to do the same program as what we've done now, but without using this storyboard. So it's all going to be done in code. So we're going to add the text field, add the button and the label all in code, but that'll be a different tutorial, so you just keep an eye out, and you can see that one at a later date. So I'm going to call this text field, I'm just going to say YouTube. Click on the button, it says hello YouTube. Fantastic, that's exactly what we wanted. Keep an eye out for the next tutorial, and we'll make the same program, but we won't use a storyboard. We'll do it all with code, and there's certain advantages to that, is that we can move the code around and change things. When you press the button, you can move the text fields, move the labels, do all sorts of extra things with it. Being able to add these in code is really handy, so definitely a video to watch, and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.